this video, I would really like to talk about the power of the Weezly integration in so many different websites. We have integrated Weezly in LinkedIn, Gmail, HubSpot, PipeDrive, SmartLead, Instantly, HeyReach, Growth Machine, many places. And what have we integrated? Well, if you start with the LinkedIn, you will see this icon here, Weezly icon. And if you click on it, you will see 4 different options for now, many more to come. But if we look at the 4 different options, it's the booking page, basically allows you to others to book meeting with you, propose time for a meeting where you can propose time for a meeting, send screencasts and automated videos. And I will go through one of each of them in next coming tutorials. But basically you can book meetings and send videos directly to your leads or people from here in for example, LinkedIn. So I can just click on one of the links and hit send. The same thing is integrated in Gmail, PipeDrive, HubSpot. So basically the same menu, and this opens massive opportunities because this will save you so much time when you need to book meetings with your leads, other people, or if you need to send videos, or actually you can create automated videos directly from here. So basically directly from Gmail or directly from LinkedIn. And I will show you quickly how this is working. But basically this is one of the most powerful things, and it's so easy to use. So I just want to take this short video to talk about this, and let's go in further to talk about each of these things here, what they do. All right. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.